Most people in Colombia are using digital wallets the wrong way. They install the first app they hear about, start sending money, and never realize they are losing cash on fees, missing cashback rewards, or using platforms that don't even fit their lifestyle. And here's the truth no one tells you. The right digital wallet in 2026 is not just about sending money. It is about saving money, earning rewards, and avoiding hidden costs every single week. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Colombia for 2026. You will understand which ones are best for everyday payments, which ones give you real cashback, which ones are safest for online shopping, and which ones help you avoid unnecessary fees that quietly eat into your budget. And by the end, you will know exactly which wallet fits your life, whether you are a student, freelancer, business owner, or just someone who wants smarter money control. Now let's get straight into it, because this is where most people make their first mistake. They assume all wallets in Colombia do the same thing. But that is not true at all. Some wallets are built for transport and daily payments. Others are designed for banking integration. And a few are built specifically for rewards and crypto access. So choosing the wrong one can actually cost you money instead of saving it. Let's start with one of the most widely used systems in Colombia right now. Nequi is often the first digital wallet people try, and for good reason. It is simple, fast, and deeply integrated with Colombian banking. You can send money instantly using just a phone number. No complicated setup. No physical bank visits. And no long waiting times. But here's the problem. Many users stop at basic transfers and never explore its full ecosystem. Nequi also allows savings goals, bill payments, and even microloans in some cases. So imagine someone like Juan in Medellin. He uses Nequi not just to send money to friends, but to automatically separate his savings for rent and food. That small habit alone changes his financial discipline completely. Now here's where it gets interesting. Nequi is great for beginners, but it is not always the best for rewards or international use. So if you are traveling or working with foreign clients, you might need something more powerful. Next is DaviPlata. This is another major player in Colombia's digital wallet ecosystem. DaviPlata is backed by a traditional bank, which gives it strong security and nationwide acceptance. You can receive money, pay bills, and even use it in many physical stores. But here's what most people miss. DaviPlata is especially useful for people who want a bridge between cash and digital banking. For example, imagine Sofia in Bogotá. She still receives some payments in cash from her small business. She deposits them into DaviPlata instantly and pays suppliers directly from her phone. No bank queues. No paperwork. Now here's where things get tricky. DaviPlata is very stable, but it does not offer strong cashback rewards compared to newer fintech apps. So if your goal is maximizing rewards, you will need to look further. Let's move to a wallet that is becoming extremely popular among younger users. Movi is one of the most flexible digital wallets in Colombia. It allows you to send money, pay bills, shop online, and even access investment features in some cases. The interface is simple, and onboarding is fast. But here's the real advantage. Movi is designed for people who want everything in one place. Think of someone like Daniel, a freelancer in Cali. He receives payments from multiple clients, pays utility bills, and even manages small savings inside Movi. It becomes his all-in-one financial hub. Now here's the problem. While Movi is versatile, some users report that customer support can be slow during peak times. So if you need highly responsive banking assistance, you might want a backup wallet. And speaking of backups, let's talk about Bancolombia, a la mano. This wallet is connected to one of the largest banks in Colombia. That alone gives it a strong reputation. You can open an account quickly, send money instantly, and access basic banking services without visiting a branch. But here's where it gets interesting. Bancolombia a la mano is perfect for people transitioning from traditional banking into digital finance. So imagine Carlos, who has always used physical bank branches. With this wallet, he slowly shifts to digital payments without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's pause for a second, because this is where most people go wrong. They think one wallet is enough. But in reality, The smartest users in Colombia combine 2 or even 3 wallets. One for daily spending, one for savings, and one for rewards or international payments. Now, let's move into a more modern category. Uala is gaining attention because it behaves more like a modern fintech platform than a traditional wallet. It offers a prepaid card, spending insights, and sometimes cashback rewards depending on promotions. So imagine Laura, in Cartagena, She uses Uala for online shopping and subscriptions. Why? Because she likes tracking her expenses in real time and avoiding overspending. The app gives her clarity that traditional banking never provided. But here's the catch. Uala depends heavily on card usage, so if you prefer cash-based transactions, it might not feel as flexible. Now let's talk about another important option. PayPal is widely used in Colombia for freelancers and online workers. If you are receiving payments from international clients, this is almost unavoidable. But here's the problem. Fees can be high if you withdraw frequently or convert currencies often. So smart users like Andre in Barranquilla only use PayPal as a receiving hub, then transfer funds strategically to local wallets. Now here's where it gets interesting. Combining PayPal with Nequi or DaviPlata can reduce withdrawal friction and give you faster access to local currency. Let's continue with another strong option. Neobank-style apps like RappiPay are becoming very popular because they integrate payments with daily lifestyle services. You can order food, pay for rides, and manage money all in one ecosystem. So imagine Miguel in Bogotá. He orders food on Rappi, pays his bills, and sends money to friends without leaving the app. That convenience is powerful. But here's the limitation. These ecosystem-based wallets work best if you already use their services frequently. Otherwise, you might not get full value. Now let's move to something very important for 2026. Crypto-friendly wallets are slowly growing in Colombia. While not everyone uses them daily, they are becoming relevant for people who want inflation protection or international transfers. Wallets that support crypto allow users to store value in stablecoins and move money across borders faster than traditional banks. But here's the risk. If you are not familiar with crypto volatility or security practices, you need to proceed carefully. Always prioritize regulated platforms. Now let's bring everything together with practical clarity. If you are a beginner, Nequi or DaviPlata is the safest starting point. If you want all-in-one flexibility, Movi or RappiPay might suit you better. If you are a freelancer or online worker, PayPal combined with a local wallet is the smartest setup. And if you are a heavy online shopper, Uala gives you better tracking and control. Now here's the biggest insight of all. The best users in Colombia do not rely on a single wallet. They build a system. One wallet for income, one for spending, and one for savings or rewards. That is how you truly save money and avoid unnecessary fees. Before we finish, let's quickly recap. Digital wallets in Colombia are no longer optional. They are essential. They help you move money faster, reduce banking friction, and in some cases even earn rewards. But the key is choosing the right combination, not just one app. If you take one thing from this video, remember this. The right digital wallet is not the most popular one. It is the one that fits your daily financial behavior. If this guide helped you understand how to choose smarter digital wallets in Colombia, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with the wallet you currently use, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this. Because the next time you send money, you should not be losing fees. You should be gaining value instead.